Welcome to our channel where we provide you with helpful tips and tricks for a healthier and happier lifestyle. In today's video, we're going to show you how to improve your health without effort in just 30 days. These tips are easy to follow and will make a big impact on your overall health and well-being. Step 1. Drink more water. The first step to improving your health is to drink more water. Our bodies need water to function properly. And staying hydrated can improve your digestion, energy levels, and overall health. Aim for at least 8 cups of water a day, and try to replace sugary drinks with water as much as possible. Step 2. Move more. Even if you don't have time for a full workout, it's important to move your body throughout the day. Take a walk during your lunch break, do some stretches while you watch TV, or take the stairs instead of the elevator. These small movements can add up and help to improve your circulation, mood, and overall health. Step 3. Eat more whole foods. Eating a diet rich in whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins can help to improve your health without effort. Try to fill your plate with a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, and aim to include protein in every meal. This can help to improve your digestion, energy levels, and overall health. Step 4. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial for your overall health and well-being. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night, and try to create a relaxing bedtime routine to help you fall asleep faster. Getting enough rest can improve your mood, memory, and overall health. Step 5. Practice gratitude. Practicing gratitude can help to improve your mental health and overall well-being. Take a few minutes each day to reflect on what you're grateful for, whether it's a supportive friend or a beautiful sunset. This can help to improve your mood and reduce stress. And there you have it. 5 easy ways to improve your health without effort in just 30 days. We hope you found these tips helpful and that you'll be able to incorporate them into your daily routine. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks, and let us know in the comments what other tutorials you'd like to see in the future.